There is no limit to the number of ways you can use the Promethean Timer app for managing elements of your classroom, especially when used in tandem with other featured Promethean apps. Use the timer in floating mode along with ClassFlow polling to engage students while keeping your lesson moving. Students know you will stop the poll when the timer ends. Since you can have up to 4 clocks, timers, or stopwatches running at once, the Timer app is perfect for managing stations. Use the Promethean Annotate app to easily label multiple timers. Let students utilize the Timer and Spinner apps at the panel to help you during student presentations, enabling you to focus on tasks like completing rubrics and providing feedback. What about a little friendly competition? Add an image of a math minute to a Promethean whiteboard canvas with a few quick taps, switch over to multi-user mode, and use the 1-minute preset on the timer to create a fun challenge for 2 students at the panel.